Exercise 4 is looking back over the shoulder. So hands in this position, but splaying the hands out and pressing the heels of the hands down. And then turning, for women first, looking over the right shoulder, and for men, the left shoulder. Just turning the head and turning the hands. Then scooping up the chi and pressing down, and to the other side. And coming back to the center. So as the head moves to the side, breathing out. As the head comes back to the center, breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Sending the chi from Dantian down the leg on the same side as you're looking over. Drawing the chi back up into Dantian. Breathing out, sending the chi down to the sole of the foot. And drawing the chi back up into the coccyx area, the lower back, and Dantian.